Hey, 515, go down there and talk to Billy O. He gonna be on channel 19. Hey, 515, go to channel 19 and talk to Billy O.
Trying to get down there with world class 148 trying to get in there with Wipe. Hey Wipe, I'm trying to ease over there with world class, break.
516, y'all go over, I'm gonna let him talk. 816, do me a favor, y'all go over. 22 on it, 16, 22 back in the mobile now. I'm climbing off.
Get your mind off of world class. Get your mind off of world class 148, 148, so get your mind off of world class. Get your mind off of world class 148, 148, so get your mind off of world class.
22, slow eating this up. 16, bye-bye.
Contact double 7, Big Change, Kansas City, Rena Mayor.
Hey, Superman, world class mobile, world class mobile. Hey, Superman, world class in the mobile. How about the Superman, world class mobile? Bring up
146 again.
You tell 0148 the world class keyed on him with the mobile. Tell 148 world class keyed on him with this damn mobile. Hello to you, Superman, old world class mobile getting down. Come on, man. 816. Tell me can't pass a 5 on the ball. 22 key. Yeah, 16. Bye, Superman. Bye, Superman. Have a great day. Happy Daddy's Day, Superman. World class mobile getting on down.
Just old Big Tony man on the special line. My neighbors trying to keep this thing down now like I wanna. Windshield wiper, you smoking over there in the garden. Where's 22 coming at it?
World class mobile, world class mobile, world class mobile, world class in the mobile. A229, world class in the mobile.
That's from the hospital.
Hey, world class, good morning, man. Hey, world class, Master P around Kentucky, say good morning to you, Burger.
My voice is still messed up my speech. So I'll catch you later on, Buzz.
Yeah, yo, that A229, I'm looking for some of them meatballs with this mobile. A229, this world class mobile, one alternator, one battery, one antenna, and an 8-pill. And I'm looking for some of them meatballs in 229, come on.
Catch you later on, boss.
Hey, 229, I'm looking for Reverend Ike mobile. You seen Reverend Ike mobile? World class mobile, world class mobile, world class. I'm looking for Reverend Ike mobile, that 10-volt. That's what I said, what I said. Hey, 229, that's what I said when I said. I said I'm looking for Reverend Ike's mobile. I'm looking for Reverend Ike in the mobile. Mobile. World class Mobile, world class Mobile. One antenna, one battery, one alternator. And I'm getting on down.
You don't work for nobody. Well, you move a little bit short.
Turn right. Hey, look, some meatball out there in a goddamn diesel wagon talking about a salt bucket. I got some guy making meatball out there in a diesel wagon talking about don't forget the salt bucket. And the salt bucket. Hey, 229 and the salt bucket, I'm gone. Don't tell them boys nothing. Don't tell them boys nothing, 229. They'll learn when I got this cotton making feet on the floor. They will learn about that salt bucket. Take care, 229. Oh, world class Mobile gone.
WW148. WW.
I'm gone.
I don't know how to fly you two on this cabinet again, man. Anyway, oh yeah, a little big sign. Is that how they fly radio you on the 95 tower? Y'all be safe on this cabinet in. I'll talk to you when I can. Oh, wide way, Mr. Wide Big Sign with the 10-5. I'll see you later. Boy, Mr. Wagner, you make sure you take some plenty of Captain Big water, Captain Big. You stay hydrated on this Captain Big end, because it's hot as hell up here. So I know damn well it's hot in the Cadillac. Get it later, Wagner. We are the big man, 2 Kansas Cities. I'll see you later.
Red Eye Crow. Hey, Red Eye Crow. Tell them to meatball. Does it go good with oxtail? Tell him I said, tell meatball, does meatball go good with oxtail? By Red Eye Crow, 515 got down.
Big Hammer don't know nothing about nothing but that Bird Rabbit, so. Anyway, we a little big shy said Big Hammer, he one of them old cats. He all he know about is that Bird Rabbit syrup on this cabinet end. Said it later, we a little big Chinese still in.
I see you fellas learn your damn name.
Yeah, that cabinet got that hammer on me. I believe he still like Bird Rabbit syrup or molasses or both. Right, we a big Chinese study.
It sounds good on you. You wear it well. Hey, number 1 meatball. You wear it well there, 10 volts.
That cat niggas over driving over the road and them cat. Driving 18 wheeler, that cat nigga 85 years old, driving 18. Mess. Just a little way a wheel, I'll tell him next time I hear him, I'll say,
and that's to let you know I got it all. blue, boy.
Damn, everybody keying on me. Let me stand down for a minute. I can go throw a loss along Mother Nature around there, kept me in waste. Big train standing by.
Hey, Big Train, come on around Louisville, Catnigga. Hey, Big Train, Master P, want to wave a hand, say Happy Daddy Day coming up this weekend, no doubt. If you got a copy, and me this old transmitter in the bluegrass getting down.
They were just talking to me, man. They kept me in the wagon. We were talking to 515 or somewhere. Oh, you call my Catnigga name, boy. You got a deep voice and some heavy Catnigga audio on that Catnigga end, man, but I didn't catch your Catnigga holler. Who in the world is that talking to the big man to Kansas City?
You bring
Hey, Big Train, Master P. Hey, Big Train, Master P around Kentucky, man, just waving my hand. Hey, Big Train, Master P, uptown Louisville, working this 20-footer, man, trying to get around to Kansas City. P and the P-Funk uptown, getting down.
Boy, Master P, you know, we don't talk to you Catnigga that much, man. Look at the get down with the get down. How the hell you doing, Catnigga? Matter of fact, the last time I talked to you while we was up around Joliet, man, doing some Catnigga 12 and at the Catnigga function. Happy Father's Day to you, my brother. Oh, Master P, downtown Louisville. No big train, so do you got a copy? Come on.
No pain, no strain, man. You got that Catnigga all across this bluegrass. I know you was looking over in the Carolinas, but you was doing some damage over here in the bluegrass on the top side, no doubt. Everything's on the up and up over here, man. Good Lord blessing me every day, every time he wakes me up, and I thank him, no doubt about it. Hey, Big Train, yeah, I remember that too, over in Joliet. It's been quite a few years ago, but I was sure remember, man, 10-12 and up there, man. Had a great time at that break, no doubt. If you got a copy, man, this old half a bushel in the airways getting down.
Boy, right on, Master P, with that Catnigga 20-footer doing his thing uptown to Kansas City. That was Catnigga show, my brother. And I'm so glad that the good Lord taking care of you and the Monty Python family on that Catnigga in, blessing you all. That Catnigga, that's the way it ought to be. Like a show. Put it down on you later, man. Mother Nature not very steady on this Catnigga in, but I can hear from time to Catnigga time. Master P with that dangerous 20-footer downtown Louisville. Oh, good train uptown. You'll enjoy the holiday weekend and have a wonderful Father. Master P, Big Train stepped on. I'll see you later.
Got it all because you said it all, my brother. Mother Nature ain't in my favor this morning on that Catnigga end. That's the way I get to talk with Mother Nature, but she's dipping and dabbing on me, but she ain't doing nothing to you. Because you strong as a Catnigga ox on that Catnigga end coming across this bluegrass. But with that, man, we're going to ease on out the middle of the road, and I appreciate you taking time out, waving your hand, man. Sounding real good up here in Louisville, no doubt. Hey, Big Train, Happy Daddy Day coming up to you and your fine family, too. The P and the P-Funk is 20-foot in this antique transmitter, and the bluegrass got all the way down.
Yeah, I got 85% of that Catnigga way. We'll come over there and get a little roll call. That's Catnigga in, man. That's Catnigga transmitter. Your show sound good coming uptown to Kansas City, my brother. Hey, man, the Big Train, the Lord knows that Catnigga antique Catnigga transmitter, man, that Catnigga got some good sound, melodious Catnigga sound coming downtown to Kansas City. Make no mistake about it. Happy Father's Day once again. Love to the pretty one. I talk to you when I can. Master P, downtown Louisville, the big man to Kansas City. I'll see you later.
All right, man, I appreciate it. All right, man, I'm going to ease on back. Ain't nothing I can do about it right now, man. I'm sitting here, I'm all in with these 500 Catnigga birds. A half a bushel out there in the airways. That's all I got, man. So if I can't do nothing with that, ain't nothing going to get done. You know how it is. But I appreciate the time we had. Big Train, P and the P-Funk with that high five. You have a good one. I'm going to ease this 20-footer back. And I want to thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll see you. Bye-bye-bye.
Don't worry about that Mother Nature. She know how she is in this Catnigga in. She ain't going to stay nowhere. And when she comes, I'm good up to Kansas City Chattanooga, whatever you're doing, Chattanooga must be doing its job every Chattanooga show. Catch you later, Master P, downtown Louisville. It's a wide, big chain, big man. Uptown to Kansas City. You got that thing down, my brother. Master P, that 20-footer working. I'll see you. Bye.
Well, I appreciate it. I didn't need to turn this camera. I could have turned that audio up a little bit more. Sometimes it gets me through that hash and trash, but I don't know, man. But it is what it is, and I sure want to thank you, man. Let me know I'm doing a little talking, man, but you doing that broadcasting yourself, so you got to keep half a dozen. You got to keep a half a dozen for yourself. Big Train, your little brother, Master P, with the good morning, good morning, good morning. I'll see you. Bye.
Like I said at the beginning of this Chattanooga Q, said, man, we don't talk to you Chattanooga that much. But I sure glad I got a chance to talk to you today. I guarantee no pay you. Hey, Master P, Mother Nature don't allow me to talk to that Chattanooga much. I guess it's only about 400 or 500 miles from me on this Chattanooga end, but I'm sure glad I got a chance to talk to my Chattanooga friend. Make no mistake. I'm going to say it again. Hey, Master P, I am so glad Mother Nature allowed me to talk to my friend downtown Louisville. Put it on you later, my boy. Much love to you and the family. Like I said, Happy Father's Day coming up. Master P, Big Train, to Kansas City. You know the deal. I'll see you later.
That's real good copy, man. Yeah, it's about 570, ain't it? About 570 miles across that Chattanooga. No doubt, man. Hey, man, I sure appreciate it, man. You're right. We don't get a chance to get to talk to you Chattanoogas over on that end, but that's all I've been talking to today. A lot of the Chattanooga, I talked to Bump and Grind number 9, and we don't get conditioned with them, and who else? It was somebody else I don't get to talk to, man. But that's what we call that boo-boo skip. That skip's going everywhere this morning, no doubt about it, man. Hey, Big Train, appreciate the bump down, man. But I ain't too strong, so I got to get gone. This 20-footer with a whole bunch of audio out of this old antique transmitter. P-Funk, 20-footer got all the way down. Bye-bye.
What you call it, boo-boo skip? You say you about the Bum and Grind 9. Yeah, you guys ain't but about 400 or 500 miles from us on this Chattanooga end. Anybody that close Chattanooga, we just fight with them. We don't talk to them. Hey, Master P-Funk, take care, my brother. I'm going to get on out of here. Lord knows, Chattanooga, I didn't do what I wanted to do. I'm talking to a few of my Chattanooga friends. Now it's time me to go eat me some Chattanooga breakfast. Master P, downtown Louisville, Big Train, to Kansas City, on the move.
Getting up.
All right, my brother. I got a little short gate. I'll be putting this up, man, when I get done. I got a little short gate W, man. Boy, you smoking, man. That Chattanooga you on is smoking too, man. Sounding real good too. So keep on with the keeping on, man. High fives to you, man. God continue to bless you, man. And I'm going to ease on back, man. It's a pleasure double measure on this end. I can't wait to get a chance to put my hand in your hand again on that Chattanooga end. Big Train, Kansas City, P and the P-Funk, Louisville with that 5. When I get done, I'll put this gate up for you, man, on YouTube. That bite.
Come on, a Big Train, my old-time friend, old Rico in Virginia. He's dropping on the mail, Rico's in.
Bye, P-Funk. Big Train said bye.
410. I don't know if, before you keyed at me, I hear Rico in Virginia on that end. I don't know if he was talking to me, thinking I'm Big Train. Hey, but Big Train, that cat making Rico coming in my back door over in Virginia on that cat making in. Told you this that damn boo-boo skip. Put it on you later. Big Train, Kansas City, Master P, 20-footer with the 5. Got down.
The big man, come on.
Rico in the love country. The Big Train wasn't no bad for Rico. Come on. He's scratching. He's not the boat mate chicken trying to get up with yours.
Yeah, they ain't no Chattanooga, Carolina slugger, Carolina. I'm doing pretty good. My friend, that stuff, the slugger, the train got down.
I figure out how to spell it. I thought it started with a T. Thought that they waiting to you. Worldwide 43, my brother.
There's 5 people calling. I'm not counting the name. I ain't understand none of that. It's 5.
Wish you well. Boy, look here, I ain't gonna get nothing done. I'm back quiet.
Hey, good morning, Cat Mickey. Good morning over on them snow caps. A7. Good morning to you. Your little brother around Louisville just won't say good morning. Get out the way, breaker, breaker.
Coming in here, they coming in double 7 says tail wag away, hello. Some coming and throw it down hard and pretty, well, let's come in here. Never find out I never say, you to be my come in, y'all more. Tell my friend wag away, I said hello.
Man, it's rough out here. Hey, number 7, Master P just trying to wave a hand, man, say good morning to you. Me and his 20-footer say good morning up on them snow caps. Hey, good morning, number 7, I'm getting down.
Good morning, my friend. I was about to ask you a question earlier. You were talking to somebody, but good morning to you, Master P. I ain't looking at you, my brother. The Father way to you, Master P. Around P-Funk City, Louisville. I got down.
Yeah, 410, man. Hey, Sam, I can't stay too long. I just want to say good morning, boy. This skip's going everywhere. It's that boo-boo skip. Hey, Sam, it's that boo-boo skip the bread man always say about, man. But I just want to say good morning and wish you happy Father's Day. Wish you happy Father's Day. Hey, 7 on the snow caps, I'm getting down.
I was going to say, you were telling...
Hello, 87 Lemon Pump Man.
The window, if you're getting a whole bunch of boo-boo skips, stick your boo-boo out the window.
I don't know what's going on. It's coming in. Maybe you've been working. Hey, Bill,
Hey, man, shit, boy, shit's crazy, and I ain't sticking my ass out nobody's window, Cat Mickey. Hey, 7, man, you go, man. Hey, 7, man, you go, Cat Mickey. Boy, you just always gotta just light a room up with that Cat Mickey crazy stuff. Hey, good morning to you, Cat Mickey. Sounding good over here in the bluegrass. AA number 7 on the snow caps. P in the P-Funk with the wave. I see you. Happy Daddy Day coming up. Bye, bye, bye.
Sure, P-Funk, we ain't got the best condition, but I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put about 4 more peas out there in that pot. Hey, P-Funk, I'm gonna put about 4 more peas. I ain't trying to eat the whole...
Hey, wait, Will, that time, brother, y'all was tied up like a coming
Master P, UFO killer got out.
Real good copy, man. All right, I'm gonna ease on back, man. I ain't got nothing out there, and can't put nothing out there. So it is what it is. Hey, 7, I can't put nothing out there but some audio, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get my hatch cat, because Mother Nature ain't on that 20-footer. Then when she gets on this 20-footer, it's a whole different ball game. But right now, I ain't got enough weight out there on the plate, so that's all I can do. Put it on you later. Number 7, Happy Father's Day. Me and this 20-footer gonna get on the mailbox. I'll see you.
That's low key. Peace.
You used to fight him, son. Now you just light him. He was real to be so. You used to light him, you used to fight him. All you do is light him. Man, I got the draw on good change. 10-7, I see you.
And I'm doing it like Dr. Doolittle, my brother-in-law. I'm doing like my brother-in-law, Dr. Doolittle. He talked to the animals, and I talk to these cobras. Put it later. Click.
Real good, Kyrie. I appreciate it, man. Well, I can't play you back right now, and I ain't got that capabilities, man. But I got it on the Watergate. A7, when I put it up, it'll be on the Watergate. Put it on you later. Hey, number 7, I appreciate the wave, too. Me and this 20-footer trying to get off them damn snow caps. I'll see you. Bye, bye, bye.
Take care, my friend. God bless you, my brother. Peace on, Father Day Way. Hey, 43. Don't you get that devil like a choke with that damn choke chain. I'm gonna try it one more time. Don't make me put a choke chain on you.
Hey, and don't forget to give the sweet one a great big hug for me too, man. A7, don't forget to give the sweet one a great big hug from Master P, man. No doubt about it, man. Put it on you later. Hey, number 7, don't choke nobody. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, 43. Nah, my friend. That's my friend. I'm just messing. I'm gone. Y'all take care. 43, take care. P4, take care. God bless you. Father Day Way. I'm going to check on the sweet thing. Bye-bye.
Yeah, you know I got it on Watergate, man, so you can't be saying things like that. It's on Memorex, because you don't want to leave no evidence, man, so don't say them things. Just do what you do. Don't say it, because somebody's recording. I see.
What you want to smoke? Well, you know I don't mean no harm. My friend know I don't mean no harm. Choke ain't no joke. But what you mean you want to smoke what? Hey, 43, you want to smoke what? You want to roll up one that debate, man?
He might have been talking about that P-Funk. He might be talking about that P-Funk, man. And he don't want to do that, because he take a toke of that P-Funk, he gonna choke. Hey, Sam, he gonna choke if he take a puff of that damn P-Funk. I'm gone.
Yeah. They hold each other. Well, you know I ain't gonna fill up no bowl. You remember the last time I showed you I go let him walk in the rain with that bowl. He gonna be trying to light that wet bowl. They got California. The number one meatball in California. The number one meatball in California. Believe I can fly. I like that devil lost his damn mind. He got that smoking them bowls. I believe I can fly. Smoking bowls in the sky. I'm a different breed. Bye.
Hey, Sam. But see, you ain't got to do that smoke no more. They say they got gummy bears now. They got all kind of Starbursts, gummy bears, all kind of stuff. You ain't got to smoke no more, Cat Biggie. Put it on your later. It's number 7. I'm giving out gummy bears. I see.
But it looks like he's eating them gummy bears. He be running through the woods trying to bite a bear on the ear. He run out of gummy bears. He be running through the woods, see, trying to bite a bear on the duck plucking ear. I'm like, what?
Oh, Ted. All right, man. I'm back 10-6-2, man. I'm listening to your talk show. Hey, number 7. Great day. Great day to you, man. Happy Father's Day. I see you.
Great day to you, big brother. Great day and happy Father's Day to you. Hey, P, I'm going to step up out of here, because Lord knows I won't get nothing done. I'm going to check on the sweet thing. Click.
Yeah, but you say, I believe I can fly. That cat making be running and trying to touch the sky on that cat making in. Hey, if he run out of them gummy bears, that's what he gonna be doing. I see you. Bye.
Who I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? Every time they kill, they talking about smoking a bowl. I'm got.
Bye.
I was wondering how we going to pass a 5 on 9 when I was trying to go to town. He was talking to you.
He's a woody poo sucker. He's a woody poo sucker. He's a winning push sucker. He's a winning push sucker. He ain't nobody. He know who to mess with. He know. Hey, Superman, I'm back here trying to hunt his ass. I'm out here trying to hunt for him. I get him.
Hello, crazy horse. If you got a copy, there's a big wait. Crazy horse in the mobile, Rico and Virginia. You ain't dropping on the mill, Rico.
That's what I said, and I did not stutter. I did not stutter.
Real good guy, crazy horse sounding real good in that mobile. Talking real good in that mobile. Hello. Crazy horse, there's big wave.
I'm gonna get back and do a little bit of work, bus driver. I got some work I gotta do. I got another build I gotta get out the door. Hey, boss, I'll put it on your land today. But my radio will be on for the next sucker that wants to come out. Bye-bye. Here I am, bus driver.
Hey, Superman, he talking to you, fucking cut him off. Hey, Superman, is he talking to you right now? Radio cut off, radio cut off. Hey, Superman, is he talking to you? Break.
The audio in your radio got down.
Hey, 525. Yeah, copy on that. Hello, 5.
I'm out of here. That white buffalo's scared to get beat up. That white buffalo's scared to get beat down. That's Superman. That white buffalo's scared to get beat down.
87, Charles Bronson with the wave got down.
525, big brother. Good morning to you. What's left of it, man? I've been reading the mail on you, putting that stick down, no doubt about it, Captain. You've been out here all morning, no doubt about it. Good morning to you, Mr. 525, your friend, Mr. 87 in my Louisiana. Bye.
37, come on, old 525 with the wave,
Get your mind over. 525, it's rough, big brother. It's rough. You got condition over here, but I ain't got nothing like you, though. Something ain't right. Take care, Mr. 525, Mr. 87, bottom side of these swamps is playing going on.
The 87, that's why they call it Boo-Boo Skip. His skip's crazy right now. But 87, good morning, Captain. I'm going to try to wave a hand from the bluegrass. 87, Master P in this transmitter in the bluegrass getting down.
My east side, New York, and controlling the Buckeye State.
Yeah, 525, you say you're controlling the east side and the Buckeye too? Well, you got it down too, Captain. That's a con-shucking show. When I grow up, I want to be like you. Take care, Mr. 525. Your friend, Mr. 87, looking like this. I'll see you.
Hey, 87, I'm going to put some interference on that cat maker right there, man. I'm throwing some interference on that cat maker, man. Good morning to you, 87. Master P. Hey, 87, Master P around Louisville getting down.
Bye, Mr. 525. Take care. I'm going to get on out here. Mother Nature ain't acting right with me, man. No doubt about it. She stay in one place and then she hurry up and move. 525. Take care, Mr. 87 at 10-6 and gone.
I guess there ain't no Mother Nature down here around this bluegrass down there in the BY. No get back around the Catamigan, Louisiana on that Catamigan end. I mean, it's 20 foot of uptown Louisville with a little Catamigan audio in the airwaves. Getting down.
Charles Bronson, your friend, Mr. 87 in my Louisiana is playing going on. Back 87.
525, the middle man controlling my east side with the wave one more time.
Yes, sir. You controlling the east side. Me and my Louisiana, I'm gone. I'll see you. Standing by.
Hey, WD-40, man, it's rough, man. I heard you that time, man, but it's rough, man. And can't make it over in Louisiana. Got a little more Mother Nature. AWD40, Master P with the Weekend Wave, man, and Happy Father's Day coming up. WD40, I'm getting down.
Control
410 on that, man. All right, WD40, have a super fine one, man. Be safe out there while you're working that diesel car, too, man. Till we can do it again, high fives to you. Happy Daddy Day coming up. WD40, your little brother uptown Louisville, and this cat making half a bushel in the airways, getting down.
I'm looking for that white buffalo. He keyed up on my daddy the other day. He keyed on Panthers, and he keyed on Super Truck. But I'm trying to tell you.
Doug, you know that Superman? I got down.
You smoking out here.
Hey, Controller, I got my bean looking at Georgia. He's busting through.
Hey, 13 man, how are you coming my damn radio and I'm looking around south? Good Lord have mercy. Old Charles Bronson got down.
At 241, I heard you. At 241, I heard you there with Controller. I heard pieces and parts of it. Be careful, 241. Controller got a hammer. Careful, break.
You are on the control. Hey, young blood. Hey, young blood. Can I ease up in there with Funky? Hey, Youngie Blood, 148. Hey, young blood, 148. I'm trying to ease up in there with Funky Station. Young blood, 148, New Jersey.
Oh, young blood. Hey, young blood in the upper.
Like you say, you got switches for the bitches. You got to put them switches for them bitches right now. Bye.
Right back, young bloods. No strain, no pain. No strain, no pain. Tell my friend Funky I say good afternoon time. Tell my Funky I say good afternoon time. Friendly 5. Young blood in the yard. 148 said bye.
241, he said more gas for that ass. At 241, I heard you come in there for a little bit, but I come back and say more gas for your ass. More gas for your ass. That's what I heard. Come here, right back.
410. Good morning to you. Controller talking a bad attitude. I can hear both of them up here around New York. Hello, Ron.
Hello, King of the South. Old Charles Bronson with the wave got down.
What's up, 525? 525, Master P with the good morning break.
Right there, right back. I'm doing okie dokie, mighty fine at this end. Hello, King of the South. Happy Daddy Day coming up. The big man on the east side, 0525. Daddy Day wave got down.
Switches. And Superman key.
Guess I ain't got no Mother Nature up there around that Buffalo. Don't get back around Buffalo, New York. Man, it's 20 foot in the bluegrass with no condition around Buffalo. The 20-footer got down and gone.
Mom. Put it on you later, King of the South. The man, Charles Bronson, with that wave got down.
New Jersey. Controller, you sounding good, New Jersey. Controller, 148. Break.
Rough out there. Rico is rough out there. Whoa, please, you're nowhere. Rico is on the
Get your mind off of Funky. He's a mud duck.
Right on, 12. Heard you when that cat being super ain't got out that small, man. Lord knows that cat being got me buried in the corner. Hey, 12, take care. Keep the good work up, sounding good the way you should, the way you always do. Hey, 12 in the valley, Rico in Virginia with the morning wave. Rico, don't see you.
This train is running. Yo. All right. Come on. To New York. Come on.
Hey, King of the South. Oh, Charles Bronson said, Bob.
So you want to get it?
One more time, train right.
Let's get New York and go.
Hey, King of the South. I do it when I want to do it. I'm not like the other can pickers. They do it when they can. Put it on you later, my friend. 0525, a.k.a. Charles Bronson got double.
And I'm going to stop calling the fight because I guess 525 finally got to Superman radio after 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, 525 got to his radio. It was about time that Mutt Duck got it in. Bye. You ain't nothing to pay with, Superman. I could have left you in the key. Goddamn Windjammer came out here screaming my name. I heard. I could have left you in the key that time, Superman. I waited for you. All right, let me stand out the way. Controller, good job. I'm out of here.
Controller 148, bye. Hey, Controller 148. Hey, Controller, get your mind off that mud duck Funky 148. Controller, get your mind off Funky Station 148, New Jersey, bye.
Hey, you gonna read my mail. You gonna read my talk show, Superman. That's what you say. Bye.
See you from Puerto Rico. No. Hit up on my I'm sorry. Mr. Baba Yaga wants to see you.
Bye. I heard Windjammer say he gonna talk to me later.
Damn 12 in the valley, plugging my ears. How about a 12 in the valley, 148? How about a 12 in the valley, 148? 812 in the valley, 148. I get your bad attitude on my walkie-talkie. Funky Station, New Jersey,
Hey, good morning, 148. I'm gonna speak real quick, man. I'm gonna try to get in there and just say hello and how they do, man. 148, Master P. 148, Master P with the good morning break.
When you came in the south, come here and sit down, break.
Oh, Superman.
Hey, Superman, get your mind off one more.
410 on that. 410. I had somebody out there calling 140.
Hey, Superman, get your
Man, come on, man. But I heard you in there, but Superman keyed up, made it rough. Hey, King of the South, Superman keyed up and made it rough on you, break.
Hey, Dr. Hollywood, Mobile in the Carolinas, 148. How about it, Dr. Hollywood? Hey, Dr. Hollywood in the Mobile in the Carolinas. How about it, Dr. Hollywood? How about it, Dr. Hollywood in the Carolinas in the Mobile, 148, New Jersey, right?
Can't pick off you.
Hey, 148, you still around the bluegrass, Catbigger? Hey, 148, you still around Kentucky, man? Just want to say good morning to you one more time, Catbigger. Hey, 148, P and the P-Funk getting down. No get back on 148. The 20-foot in the bluegrass is on the mail.
Station, Dr. Hollywood, Mobile in the Carolinas, Funky Station.